When you're reading a nonfiction book, it's really important to remember those interesting facts so that later on you can share those facts by telling friends about them, your teacher, or perhaps you might even want to write it down and draw about it in your reader's journal. Well, sometimes when I want to share with friends, I think about an interesting fact I want to tell them. For example, when I read the book called Actual Size, I learned that an anteater has a tongue that is 2 feet long. I think that's amazing. Also, if you want to write and draw about nonfiction books, or like I said, tell a friend, think about the topic you learned about. It might be a gorilla or a tiger. Think about something you learned. Maybe you learned about a mouse's habitat. Or maybe you learned an interesting fact, such as how many teeth a shark have. So when you're reading a nonfiction book, remember to not forget those important, interesting facts because you're going to want to share them with other people and you're also going to want to write and draw about them.